Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. Friends, today I am going to solve puzzles question which are very important for your upcoming Infosys on-campus examination. So friends, in Infosys section 5 is having puzzles questions, and these are the sample questions shared by Infosys. So you should and must practice before you go and write your Infosys examination. So given is the set of 9 numbers that relate to each other in a certain way. Determine the missing number in the second set. Assume that the second set also works in the same way as the first set. And friends, you can see these are the 3 marks questions, right? So these are the 3 marks questions, and friends, the time allocated for puzzles will be 10 minutes. So let us try to understand here, friends. So friends, this is also called as number puzzle. So let us understand how it works. So number puzzles. Okay. So friends, either it will work from left to right or it will work from top to bottom. Okay. So either it will work from left to right or from top to bottom. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all 3. So 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. Then again from left to right I'm adding 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. Then again from left to right I am adding 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 11 will be 18. So friends, the logic might be from top to bottom, from left to right. The logic might be, in some cases they will be multiplying it. So friends, there might be different logic and there may be more than one logic. So as you solve more number of questions, you'll become familiar with that. So 4 plus 2, 6, 12, 12, 15, 18. So I could see there is a difference of 3 here. There is a difference of 3 here. The same pattern here also we need to bring it. So 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 8 will be 24. And then 9 plus 10 is 19, 19 plus 8 is 27. So friends, here it should be 21. Then only the difference will be 3. So 7 plus 5 is 12. What should I put here so that their addition will be 21? So 7 plus 5 plus 9 will be equal to 21. 8 plus 8 plus 8 will be 24. 9 plus 10 plus 8 will be equal to 27. So friends, in this case your answer will be option C. So easily you will be able to solve the problem in the examination. Now friends, if you'll see question number 2, find the missing term in the third figure. Assume that the third figure works in the same way as other two. So friends, the puzzle will be having 3 marks and 2 marks question, but all the questions will be very easy, friends. Trust me. The only thing is you need to practice. And friends, so number puzzles questions you can find on our YouTube channel. So already I have done few problems based on that, and the link will be given in the description. Okay, the link will be given in the description. So friends, please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Okay, so Online Study for You. So if you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe so that you will be getting all the updated videos on daily basis till your examination. And friends, all the videos are completely free. You do not have to pay anything for that. So 4 into 7. So friends, what they have done here, I'm sorry. So they have added all 4. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8. So they have added all the 4 numbers. Friends, basically in this kind of questions, the logic will be, so you need to add or multiply the outside number and then you have to get the middle number. So I added all the numbers outside. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 6 will be 17 and 17 plus 8 will be 25. And then they have multiplied by 2, which is nothing but 50. So the outside will be giving you the inside value. Again, 1 plus, I will add everything, plus 20 plus 7 plus 12. So 21, 28 and 28 plus 12 will be 40 and 40 into 2 will be 80. So friends, the logic is fixed. Either you multiply the outside number or you subtract or you add, and then you will be getting the middle number. So friends, the link which I will be giving in the description, so you can find lot more problems from this type. So this is also called as number puzzles, or you can say puzzles. Same thing here, friends. 13 plus 9 plus 14 plus 11. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 5, 9, 14 plus 3 is 17. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 47. Then multiply by 2, it will be 94. So you can see option B will be the correct answer. for the question number 2. So this is the way, friends, you are going to solve the problems easily in the examination. Now question number 3. So this is also for 2 marks. Find the values of A and B in the third figure. Assume that third figure works in the same way as the other two. Friends, this section, I'm telling you, this section you are going to attain more number of more marks actually. So you are going to attempt more number of questions, and in turn you will be getting more marks from this section. So friends, here you see 4 and 64. So 4 cube will be what? 64. 327. 3 cube will be what? 27. Same thing. 6 cube is what? 216. 2 cube will be what? 8. Then 9 cube will be 729. So what cube will be 125? Definitely that is none other than 5 cube. So 5 cube will be 125. So option A will be the correct answer, right? So friends, you see how simple questions this is. Now friends, you also need to find out the value of B. So here you see 97 is there. Here you see 232 is there. So here you need to find out the value of B. So the value of A we have find out. So for the A we have got the logic. Now for the B we need to calculate the logic here. Now friends, getting the value of B is very easy. So add everything. 4 plus 64 plus 27 plus 3. So this is 30, and plus 68 will be nothing but 98. Then again add everything. 216, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. So it will become, again add everything, so it will become 232. Now friends, here also what we will do, we will add everything. 729 plus 125 plus, and friends 9 plus 5. Okay, so 125 plus 5 will be 130, and plus 729 plus 9 will be 738. So this will be 8, 336 and 8, 868. So option C. So A and C is the correct value of A and B. Okay, so 2 marks question, and the problem is very simple. It is not difficult at all. Now friends, question number 4. The value of X in the diagram below is, this is for 3 marks. So friends, what I could see from here, this is 4 square, this is 5 square. Okay, then this is 6 square, and then this is 7 square, and then friends this is 8 square. Okay, now so this is in the form of square, no problem. So finally we have to find out the value of X here. Okay, now friends, the option is not given, so we will see. Friends, now how 14 came using this 2? So 6 plus 1, the sum of the digit will be 7, and 2 plus 5, the sum of the digit will be 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Then it is 25 and 36. So this is 2 plus 5 is 7, and 3 plus 6 will be 9. So 7 plus 9 will be 16. Friends, one time effort. Once if you understand, then it is easy. Okay, then 6 plus 3 will be 9, and 9 plus 4 will be 13. 13 plus 9 will be what? 22. Then friends, 13 and 6 plus 4 will be 10. So 13 plus 10 will be what? Equal to 23. So this logic we have got it. Now friends, how we are getting 12? So that we need to understand, right? So 12 and then X and then 9. So friends, first what you can do, you can think in different ways. But friends, again if you see, 4 plus 1 is 5, okay, and then 6 plus 1 is 7. So this will be 5 and this will be 7. So that is nothing but 12 here, right? So basically we are adding these numbers and then we are getting the rows. Then here 2 plus 2 will be 4, and 2 plus 3 will be 5. So 4 plus 5 will be equal to what? 9. Same thing, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 4. So 7 plus 4 will be what? 11. So I cannot say this problem is very easy. But friends, another way, I cannot say these problems are very tough as well. The only thing, if you have not done once also, then you will be feeling it little difficult. So that is the reason friends, in the description we have given the similar kind of questions link where we have solved the number puzzles questions. And friends, if you have not subscribed to Online Study for You, do it right now. Otherwise you are going to miss a lot of things. So all sample questions and the questions which are important, we are going to do one by one and we will be uploading it. Thank you friends.